Teen Mom is an American reality television series which aired from December 8, 2009, until October 9, 2012, on MTV. It follows the lives of 4 girls from the first season of 16 and Pregnant as they navigate their first years of motherhood. The series also focuses on the themes of their changing relationships between family, friends, and boys, while highlighting the struggles teenage mothers have to go through to raise their children. The series aired a total of 4 seasons. The pilot episode was the network's highest-rated premiere in over a year, with 2.1 million total viewers. The record was surpassed by the controversial series Skins, which had 3.26 million viewers. The first season finale brought in 3.6 million viewers. The second season finale pulled in over 5.6 million viewers, at which time a spin-off Teen Mom 2 was announced for January 11, 2011. The third season premiered on July 5, 2011, and the final season premiered on June 12, 2012. The series was initially cancelled after the 4th season aired. However, MTV decided to renew the series once again for a 5th season set to premiere in 2015. The 5th season will star the original teen mothers, with the exception of Farrah Abraham. Cast, episodes, series overview, Season 1, Season 2, Season 3, Season 4, specials, Portwood's legal issues, footage of Amber Portwood's violent behavior towards her child's father Gary Shirley, including an assault in which Shirley conspicuously refused to physically defend himself, prompted an investigation from both the Police Department of Anderson, Indiana, and that city's branch of the State Child Protective Services, along with sparking hundreds of public complaints questioning Portwood's suitability to be a mother. Police searched Portwood's apartment, finding evidence that requires further investigation, but would not specify what had been found at the time. It was later revealed that Portwood had been caught with a large quantity of marijuana and crack cocaine. On October 20, 2010, The Today Show aired a segment revolving around the depicted domestic abuse in both seasons. NBC's Dan Abrams discussed the possible legal consequences Portwood could face under Indiana law, including the felony charge of conducting abuse in the presence of a child under 14 years of age and misdemeanor charges including but not limited to domestic assault and battery. On November 3, it was reported that Portwood agreed to allow Indiana CPS to monitor her for up to 6 months in exchange for CPS's allowing her to maintain custody of Leah. On November 18, after an extensive investigation, Portwood was charged with 3 counts of domestic violence, 2 of them felonies, in connection with separate incidents of on-camera abuse of Shirley. The same day, MTV released a statement concerning the charges filed on Portwood. "We are cooperating with all parties and hope for a quick and fair resolution that allows everyone involved to move forward in a positive manner." In December 2011, Portwood was arrested for the Class D felony of possession of a controlled substance and was later charged with violating her probation on her earlier domestic violence charges by breaching conditions including behaving well in society, obtaining a GED certificate, completing 6 months of anger management training, paying her probation fees, and setting up a $10,000 college fund for Leah. She was held without bond in Madison County Jail until her January 27, 2012. Hearing on both charges, at which she entered a guilty plea and the court scheduled a sentencing hearing for February 6 of that year. On February 6, Portwood was given a 5-year suspended sentence with the provision that all charges would be dropped if she went to and completed rehab. In March 2012, Portwood failed to take a required drug test, violating the associated condition of her suspended sentence and putting herself in jeopardy of having the 5-year suspended sentence reimposed. At the ensuing probation violation hearing, the judge in the case declined to reimpose any portion of the suspended sentence, instead requiring Amber to complete 30 days of daily drug tests. Portwood subsequently dropped out of her rehabilitation program and was charged with a 3rd violation of her probation. In June 2012, the court reimposed Portwood's 5-year sentence in its entirety. On June 13, 2012, Portwood began serving her 5-year sentence, during which she is expected to attend substance abuse classes and earn her GED. On December 20, 2013, Portwood made an appearance on the talk show Dr. Phil. She revealed that she had been released from jail early due to good behavior and now has her GED. Portwood also revealed that she was high on prescription and illegal medication for most episodes of Teen Mom and that she is sober with no intent of ever using again. Portwood is working on obtaining a joint custody agreement with her ex-boyfriend Gary Shirley and is trying to focus on being a good mom to her daughter. She also has established an organization to help teens stay off drugs. References. External links, official show website, Teen Mom at the Internet Movie Database.